Hi, welcome to the Aaron Show. Also Booze on the Rocks, but it's actually called the Aaron Show. We're gonna make the Hemingway Daiquiri today. Don't tell my dad, but I'm gonna pour this drink out on the table.
All right, it's great to have every single one of you back. Today is an interesting day. We have Aaron hiding in the shadows here, pretending not to be here. Yeah.
Hi!
And it's good to have her back. It's been quite a while since I've had her in one of my videos.
Adulting sucks.
Let me tell you about a very adult cocktail. We're making a Hemingway Daiquiri. Now, Ernest Hemingway, of course, was a well-known author, and one of the books that he wrote was The Old Man and the Sea. And really, if you have any more interest in any of his books that I suggest you read, go check Google, because I'm not that fond of information. Well, actually, that's not true. I am, but I'm just not going to tell you.
You like to think that you're the smartest person in the room. What you should do is think that you're not the smartest person in the room. That doesn't even make sense. What was I saying?
No, it makes sense. We're perfectly fine. All right, so now Hemingway had his first daiquiri.
Daiquiri.
His first
He meant
daiquiri.
daiquiri. He had his first daiquiri made when?
I don't know exactly what day it was. However, it was at La Floridita. Now, however, that bar was originally called La Pina de la Pia. La Pina de la Piazza. AKA in English, the Silver Pineapple. And that bar was established in 1817. However, Aaron's going to show us how to make this.
Oh, okay.
Or I'm gonna show her how to make this, or at least I'll explain it to her.
He's gonna tell me how to do it, and I'm gonna show you how.
First thing you need is your mixing glass. Actually, shaking glass, mixing glass, you can use it for both.
Okay.
What's the first thing you need?
Ice.
No.
Rum.
Yes. How much? Okay. All right, so you need 1.5 ounces of rum. All right, so I've decided to do some rum splitting. So the first thing we'll do is we'll use 3/4 ounce of a white rum. Now Erin's got herself a lamb's rum right there in her hand, and she's going to spill it all over the place.
It's okay. Here you go.
Stop spilling it. We'll have to lick the table. The next thing she's going to need is plantation ground reserva rum, and you'll need the same amount, which is 3/4 ounce or 22.5 milliliters. So together that'll make 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters once she learns how to actually pour this.
I can pour.
Now,
I pour better than he does.
the next thing she needs is a little bit of Luxardo. Luxardo, Maraschino Liqueur. Interestingly enough, for those of you that seem to think that all things maraschino need to be cherry tasting, this tastes nothing like cherry. It's kind of a sweet, dry, earthy taste. It's not even that sweet. One of the things that you will notice with this daiquiri is that there is no sugar. That's because Popa Hemingway, as he was called, not only was he a raging alcoholic, he had diabetes. So he used to do everything without sugar.
Couldn't even have the good drinks.
No, he couldn't. So the next thing you're going to need is a knife.
Okay.
Take this over here.
Yeah.
We need 1/2 ounce of lime juice. So you want to destroy your lime. You want to cut the lime. Come on.
What is this?
It's a lime.
There we go.
That's pretty funny. So you need 1/2 ounce, which is that entire thing. No, squeeze it with that.
I thought we were squeezing it with our hands.
You're gonna squeeze a grapefruit by hand. Come on. Nope. Bottom one. Flip it. And the people want to see you actually do something. Come on. Chop chop.
You know, Father of mine, you are something special. Okay? You know, I try, and I'm sorry that I'm not as strong as Abby is, but you know what?
What's an Abby? Okay, Abby's our other daughter.
Wow!
His.
Wow!
His
My
other daughter.
My other daughter.
Why would you say ours? Jeez, Dad. What?
There's still a little bit left. You don't want to waste all this good lime juice. You want to make sure you get the correct. Now, one of the things you want to do, there you go. Throw that in there, please. Yeah. You're going to need that again. The next thing you need is 1 ounce of a grapefruit juice. You could use white grapefruit juice, or what we're going to use is pink grapefruit juice. Okay, now, before you squeeze all that, I want you to cut a wheel.
Wheel.
Yeah, here.
Okay, maybe you should do that.
I'm going to show you absolutely no... I think the knife's rather dull today.
Did you forget to sharpen it?
Yeah, but... And the reason I'm doing that?
And here I am thinking I'm incapable of using one.
Well, you know.
That's a big wedge. Why are you... Oh, it's that.
She's going to squeeze this, and you're going to flip it upside down. For those of you who don't know, she's this is like one of the first times that she's using the citrus squeezer. Squeeze harder. More.
Oh my gosh. Stop yelling at me.
Okay, good.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Now flip sideways. Yep. You're spilling it all over the place.
Do you know what, Father? What did you say?
Sass.
You know what? You know who I get it from? Him.
No, you get it from your sister.
No, she gets it from you, and you are a sassy little thing.
Little? What are you talking about?
You're small, Dad. You're a small little man. I'm kidding.
Wow.
Don't you love
What
me?
do you want for Christmas?
I want $30 million.
Good. Go play the lottery. Now, while you're at it,
A lottery?
grab some ice. Slam it in there, please. Don't use that one. Never mind, too late.
It's okay. It's just us. No one cares.
But your viewer cares.
They don't care.
They're not
Okay.
in the room.
So we shake it now?
Yep. How long do you think you should shake it for?
10 to 15 seconds?
Beautiful.
I think that might have been longer.
More. Okay, good enough. Okay, pop that open like so. Here you go. I'm going to give you a coupe glass. Use whatever glass you want and just enjoy this. How's that smell?
It doesn't smell like pure alcohol. Smell it. Like you can smell the alcohol, but it smells good.
That's the grapefruit juice. So what you're going to do is double strain this. You don't have to, but the reason we're going to fine strain this.
I can hold it. I know what I'm doing.
The reason we're fine straining this. All right, look at that. Now you need to garnish it. You're not going to garnish it with the whole thing. Chop that in half. And you're just going to sit it partially on the rim. Yep. Look at that. That.
If you want me to be your bartender, call me. I have training. And now we try. Look at the mess you made, Dad. Look at all of this.
Yeah, okay, come on. Chop, chop.
That's pretty good.
You sure?
That's really good. I like that.
Are you saying we should add more rum?
Yes.
Let's give it a smell. So of course you get a little bit of grapefruit on the nose immediately from the grapefruit, of course. And
That's really good.
it is good. It's a little bit tart, a little bit rum.
A little bit rum. It has rum in it.
It's a little bit of sweetness in there as well. And you know what? One of those things here is you're getting some of that from the citrus fruits. You're also getting the citric acid. You're not getting a huge... what are you doing?
Nothing.
You're not getting a huge sweetness bite. And because of that, it's a little bit unbalanced. Not by much. It is still really, really good. If you wanted some sweetness for yourself, add a little bit of agave syrup, maybe a half bar teaspoon, just to even it out to your preferences. Is that good?
Well, I'm drinking it, aren't I?
I guess so. Here, you need one of these. That's important, have that. So, to the Hemingway Daiquiri. What are you doing? Oh, anyways, if this is your first time, if this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, you'll be notified. And if you want Aaron on a bunch more videos making fun of me with sass, let us know in the comments down below. And we'll see you next time.
Hi, welcome to the Aaron Show, and today we're gonna make the Hemingway Daiquiri. We need to do that again. Dad, shut up. Because I kept looking over there to remember the name of the drink.